Right, so since you've clicked on the video, I should inform you that there's no glue gun repairing happening in this video. I did set out to repair the glue gun initially, but upon testing it, I found out that there's nothing wrong with the glue gun. The entire video is just me testing out the glue gun. I decided to upload the video anyways because why not? That being said, if you do decide to watch the video, enjoy. Alright, what's up guys? This is Demkeys, and in this video I'm going to be trying to repair this glue gun. I've been told that when the glue gun was switched on, it started to give out smoke. Now, I know nothing about repairing glue guns. I know nothing about repairing electronics in general, so this should be interesting. It's going to be a learning experience for me, and I mean, if something pops in between, it's probably going to be entertaining for you guys. Also, this video is being shot in vertical because in addition to YouTube, I plan to upload this to IGTV and Facebook as well. So yeah, enjoy. Right, so I've got this glue gun switched on. You can see the light over here. Touching the heating element, it does seem hot. Okay, so this glue stick that I'm using is quite small, so I'm gonna have to just push this in however far it'll go. It seems to be heating up, but there's nothing coming out. I'm not even getting any smell of burning. It's just sort of like when you know, metal gets hot. Not really sure what's going on. I mean, this thing seems hot. This thing right here, it's hot to the touch. Alright, there's glue coming out from this. Not sure what the issue is. This is glue from the old glue stick, which for whatever reason was it had sort of a yellowish tint in it, and now there's this newer glue stick which is more white and less yellowish. Okay, I shouldn't put so much force on it. It seems like there's some sort of dirt in this because the glue, it has some stuff. I'm seeing stuff that I didn't actually see in the glue stick before. There's like some dirt that I'm seeing that came out from this thing. I think that's what might have been. What about the rest of the gun? Okay, so this is kind of getting hot. I'm not entirely sure that means that this has a problem. I mean, the glue is coming out perfectly fine. Earlier, whoever used this and was telling me that there's smoke coming out, I'm not sure what was burning, but yeah, this is fine now. I didn't even do anything. Alright, so now it's coming out at a faster pace. So I don't use glue guns a whole lot, so I'm not sure if this section is supposed to be getting really hot, but it kind of makes sense because the heating element is here. And this is also not an expensive glue gun. It's one of those cheap glue guns, so I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't have a whole lot of stuff inside to keep the heat from getting towards the outside and melting this plastic. Right, so that glue stick that I used earlier, there seems to be quite a bit of it left over. I'm still just dropping the glue out from it. I don't know if it's I don't know how visible the yellow tint is on camera, if you're able to make out that it's you know, not this color but this color. Oh, I think it is visible. Yeah. Oh, you know what, I think I've gotten rid of all of, yep, now it's using this glue stick, and yeah, the thing seems fine, and this isn't all that hot either. So I guess this is not going to be a repair video. I don't even know if I'm going to upload this at this point because, well, this was supposed to be a repair video, and what the hell did I repair? I just switched the thing on and there wasn't any problem to begin with. Except for this dirt. I don't know. Okay, let me try to show this on camera. So, I don't know how, yeah, it's visible. You can see dirt over here. This gun is used for a lot of craft related work that involves a lot of paper and cardboard and stuff like that. So it's possible that that's how the dirt got in, and maybe that's what was burning, and that's what was causing the smoke. It could be something else as well, but at this point, because the thing is working perfectly fine, I guess there's nothing to fix. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video of me testing out this glue gun that was supposedly broken, but not broken really. I don't know, I mean, if you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe wherever you're watching it, on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I don't know where I'm going to be posting this. It's definitely going up on YouTube. Wherever you're watching, like, share, subscribe, follow, you know, all that good stuff. If you have any comments, leave your comments in the comments section, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.